This video demonstrates the use or the installation and use of the crimping tool to crimp the cup washer onto the bolt that holds the compressor turbine in place. Inside the tool itself, there's a hex where the head of the bolt will match and two raised portions. And those raised portions will match with the indentations on the bolt itself. I'll just show you one that's already been crimped here. And you can see how the crimps match those indentations. So the bolt is installed, threaded down on that threaded portion. We've engaged the hex. If my cup washer was in there, all I have to do is spin down this nut. As I spin down the nut, this outer portion slides over and pushes the cup washer into those indentations and locks the bolts. This concludes the demonstration of the installation and use of the cup washer crimping tool.